Welcome back to learn yet another amazing automation. Here I'm going to show you how you can set up an automation to get date-wise notifications for the subscriptions that you're selling online. So guys, we have already created videos on getting notifications for any products or services that you're selling like this. But guys, here I'm going to show you how you can receive date-wise notifications. For example, you want to receive notifications when you sell subscriptions of any product or service on 28th, 29th, and 30th of every month. So this is what I'm going to show you here. You can customize this automation according to your needs as per your schedule, but here I'm going to show you how you can receive the notifications for these 3 days, that is 28, 29, and 30 of every month. So without any further ado, let's set up this automation together. To set up the workflow of automation, we are using an integration and automation tool known as Pabbly Connect. And I'm going to paste the link of this workflow of this landing page in the description so that you can sign up for free and you will get free automation tasks every month. So sign up right now from the given link and then sign in and select Pabbly Connect product to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. From here, click on this create workflow button. Here you can give a suitable name to your workflow. So let me give a name here. So I have given the name. Now click on this create button and you can see the workflow page is loading up here. And on this page guys, you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. So guys, trigger is that event which is going to start the workflow, and the action would be an automated consequence or the response of the trigger. In our use case guys, we want that whenever we sell any subscription plan of any product or service, the workflow should trigger, but we want the notifications only when the subscription sold on 28th or 29th or 30th or 31st of every month. Okay, so first of all, you have to choose the trigger application here. So here I'm going to choose that application in which I have created the created any product or anything that I'm selling on subscription basis. So here guys, I am using ThriveCart application to sell a course in subscription based model. Okay, so this is the course you can see named as PHP language course. So I'm going to select ThriveCart here. Okay, you can choose any other application like WooCommerce or Stripe or Razorpay, etc. or Entreport. Here guys, in the trigger event, I'm going to select this product purchase option. Then click on connect button. From here, select add new connection, and here it is asking for the API key token of ThriveCart. So you'll get the key from the API and webhooks section. So let me show you here. This is my ThriveCart account and here is my profile icon, and when you click here, you will find the settings option. Click on it. Under settings page, you will find this API and webhooks tab. Click on it. Here guys, you will find the API keys tab. Click on view settings, and here guys, you can see I have already created two keys. You can create a new key by clicking on this create new key button. Here you can give a name to this key, okay, like this, and then click on create API key, and the key will be generated. You just have to copy it and paste it here in this token field, and then click on save, and you will be connected with ThriveCart. Okay, like this. Right, and here it is asking to select the product on which you want to trigger the workflow. So here I am selling this one, PHP language course. You can select multiple products as well, like this. Okay, right now I want to create this workflow for just single product, so I'm selecting one. Okay, and my product is under test mode, so I'm selecting test mode here. Okay, we are going to make it live after setting up the automation. Okay, while creating the automation, it's better to have your products in test mode. Okay, now click on save and send test request button, and it will start showing waiting for the response. This means now we can perform a test submission. Test submission means guys, now I'm going to manually open the checkout page of my product in test mode, and I'm going to create a test purchase of the subscription by myself, and the data of that test purchase will be captured here in the response section, and with the help of that data we can move forward, right? So here is the you can see here is the checkout page of this course, PHP language course. Okay, I have created a simple page, and here I am filling some sample test details of a customer. And here guys, it is asking for filling the payment information. So we are under test mode. So to perform a test transaction, you can see this is the test card details available. Just copy it and paste it here. And here I'm going to put the test card details like this. And here I'm clicking on complete order. And you can see the subscription plan is getting sold, it's processing. Alright, and here you can see guys, the product has been purchased on subscription basis, and here you can see in the response section we got the data captured also of the product. Okay, and here you can see the transaction details are available here, the purchase processor, the course name, okay, the course label. Here you can see the gross amount, okay, in US dollars, and here you can see the order date. Okay, so here you can see we have received the order date along with the time of the purchase as well. Okay, now guys, we want that whenever the purchase happens on 28th, 29th and 30, then only we will get the notifications. So to ensure this, first of all, I am going to fetch out the number of day from this date. Okay, for example, here it is showing 24/05/2023. So day is 24, month is 5, and this is the year. So I'm going to fetch out this day number from the date. Okay, so for that to happen, use the section step, and here I'm going to look for text formatter feature of Pabbly Connect. Just search for text formatter and you will find it here. And here in this action event, you will find this split text option. Select split text, then click on connect button, and here it is asking which text you want to split, what is the separator, and which part of the segment you want to fetch out. So guys, here you can see we have received this order date label here. Map this order date label here in this text to split field. Just click here and the previous step will appear in the drop down, and when you click on it, you will find the data right here. So from here guys, map the order date label, then it will ask for the separator. So here you have to use this space in between these two things, the date and time, as a separator. So first of all, I'm going to separate this date, then I'm going to separate the day number. So to put a space as the separator here, just follow the instructions. Just follow this format, copy it and paste it here. Okay, this is how you can put space as the separator. And the segment I want is this one, so I'm going to select first part here, first segment, click on save and send test request button. Alright, and here you can see the date got splitted out here from this time. Okay, now I'm going to use text formatter again one more time to split the day number. So what you can do, just click on these three dots and then click on copy step. Okay, and then click on three dots again and click on paste step. So the same step will be copy pasted here in your workflow. You can see we got another text formatter. Here you will find the date label mapped. So you have to erase this, and when you click here, it will show you the previous steps in the drop down. So from the second step, map this result label here. Then in place of space here, we are going to put this dash as the separator. Okay, so put that dash sign here, and now I want this last part, the day number, to be fetched out. So select the segment index as last. Okay, and click on save and send test request button. Alright, and here you can see the result label. Here it has started showing the day number. 24th is the day. Right. So guys, now finally what we are going to do to ensure to receive notifications on some particular dates, I'm going to apply a filter here, which is going to filter the dates according to the conditions. So just click here on this plus icon, and here you can see we have this filter option available. Select it here, and here it is asking to select a label, select the filter type and put a value here. So here I am going to apply the condition that when the day number is greater than 27, that means 28, 29, 30 or 31, then only continue the workflow, and if it is less than 27, stop the workflow, do not continue. Okay, so here guys, when you click, the previous steps will appear, and from the last step map this result label which is showing the day number, and in the filter type you have to select greater than option, greater than, and here put the value as 27. So this means when this day number is greater than 27, that is 28, 29, 30 and 31st, then only the workflow will continue and you will get the notification. So click on save and send test request. Alright, and here it is showing the condition is false because the condition is actually false right now. You can see in the previous step the result is showing 24th, which is the today's date. Okay, but we want the notifications after 27, so it's showing the condition is false, so the workflow will not run. So now finally, so in real time, when this condition matches true, this means the date is greater than 27, we want to receive a notification. For that, just click here on this plus icon, and from this action step use any channel that you want, on which you want to receive the notification, like Slack, Gmail or any other. So I'm selecting Gmail here. Select the action event as send email, click on connect. From here select add new connection, then click on connect with Gmail. From here you have to select the Gmail account by which you want to send the email. Okay, select that account. Then you have to provide some additional access to your account, so just click on continue from here and you will be connected with Gmail. Okay, like this. And here it is asking for the recipient's email address. So here you have to put your email address on which you want to receive the notifications. Okay, so let me enter the email address, and then it will ask to enter the sender's name, so you can enter any sender's name, like then it will ask for the sender's name, so you can put any sender name as you want, or you can leave it blank also. Here in the email subject you can type a relevant subject, so let me type, and then it will ask to enter the email's content. So here I have selected the type of the email content as plain, and here let me type a standard email notification. So guys, I have typed this email, hello dear, your product has received a new subscription on. So here I am going to map some details from the previous step to provide some information related to the transaction. So here your product, here after this I am going to map the name of the product that has been purchased. This is the course name. Okay, has received a new subscription on. Here I am going to map the date on which I have received the subscription. Okay, other details here, let me map the details of the customer. Here you will find the customer's email, the amount received. Okay, this is the amount received. Let me map the currency as well, US dollars. Okay, now guys, when you map the labels here, what will happen in real time, whenever the workflow is going to trigger, the labels will be updated according to the real data and new emails will be delivered. Now you can check your connection with your Gmail by clicking on save and send test request button, and this email will be delivered on your account which you have filled here. Okay, so let me show you the demo how the email is going to look like. So this is my inbox, and here I am clicking on save and send test request button. Alright, this is the response we received, and let's check in our inbox, and here you can see we have received a new email with the subject new subscription received, and you can read, hello dear, your product PHP language course has received a new subscription on this date, time, and everything as I've mapped here is in the email. Okay, you can see. So this is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up it only once. And I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description so that you can clone this workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.